This is your time. This is your season. And this is your moment. This is Dr. Tommy Campbell Jr. Welcome to another special edition of This Is Your Time. This is your season, absolutely. And this is your moment. I'm your certified life coach, your motivator, your inspirator. I want you to know that you are destined for greatness. I want you to know that anything is possible. Come on, let's get it in. Let's do our mental exercise. I want you to get it in your mind right now. Whatever you want to do, listen to me very closely. I'm excited. Whatever you want to do, whatever you want to be, whatever you want to become, I want you to get it in your mind right now. And once you get it in your mind, I want you to see yourself accomplishing your dreams in your mind. I am in London. I am in Bermuda. I am in Australia. I am in corporate. I am international. And now I'm international. I am in the NBA. I'm going to speak in the NBA. I am in the NFL. I'm going to speak in the NFL. Why? Because doors are opening. Doors are opening. And I want to tell you that doors are getting ready to open for you. You can win the Super Bowl. You can win the NCAA championship. You can win the NBA championship. You can win the World Series. You can win the World Cup. You can win the Olympic gold medal. You can win the NCAA championship. You can win the high school state championship. You can win the College World Series. You can win the Masters. You can win the French Open. Why? Because doors are opening. You're getting ready to start your own business. You're getting ready to be the CEO of that company. Your football team is getting ready to have an amazing season. Your basketball team is getting ready to have an amazing season. Your soccer team, baseball team, whatever sport you play, you need to believe it. I want you to work out in that gym. I want to tell every athlete, at whatever level you are as an athlete, I want you to work out like you are a champion. I want you to work out like you are the best. Let me tell that person. Let me tell that company. I want you to work that company. I want you to focus on that company. I want you to grow that corporation like it's $1 billion corporation. Listen, I want you to start your business and see yourself making 6 figures. See yourself making 7 figures. I want you to live the triple-double life. I want you to have a happy marriage, a happy family, happy health. I want you to have great health. I want you to have great financial wealth. I want you to have generational wealth. I want you to live the triple-double life. I want you successful in every area of your life. Why? Because there are billionaires that are not happy. There are multimillionaires that are not happy. There are people who are successful that are not happy. I want you to live the triple-double life. I want you successful and happy in every area of your life. Why? Because doors are opening. Listen, I went from flunking to first grade. I was labeled as retarded. I recycled my pain. I was the underdog. I had a reading and comprehension problem. I had a learning disability. I was bullied in school. As you know, I failed the first grade. I was the underdog. Nobody believed in TC. They doubted me and nobody believed in me. But look at me now. When I got in high school, my high school teacher told everybody else how great they were going to be and how they were going to go to college. But when she got to TC, she said, Tommy, you're not smart enough to go to college. She said, you're not going to graduate high school. You might as well go to the military. Well, I tried to go to the military and I flunked the military test. But then I finally got in college, but I got sick with a mental illness and I had a nervous breakdown and I was hospitalized in college for a whole year. It seemed like my life was over, but I didn't quit. That's what I want to tell you. In the midst of your pain, don't quit. Then I got back in on academic probation. Then I was homeless in 2009, living on the streets. Then I was innocently shot 3 times and pronounced dead at the hospital. And now I am a certified life coach. I'm a motivational speaker. I'm a published author of 4 motivational books. I am a nominee for the Nobel Peace Prize Award. And I'm a motivational speaker. Let me tell you something. This is how you know I love you. I love you so much until I get in front of this camera for free every day. I put out free motivational videos for the whole world every day. Why? Because I love you. Listen, I do free motivational videos as a motivational speaker because I honor my craft. I honor being a motivational speaker. I take being a motivational speaker as being sacred. Being a motivational speaker is sacred to me. I do free motivational videos because I want to give back. I want to use my gift to give back because I love being a motivational speaker. And that's you. I don't know of any motivational speakers right now that is doing free motivational videos every day for the whole world. Listen, as a motivational speaker, I do free motivational videos every day. Why? Because I love you. And number 2, I honor the craft of being a motivational speaker. And number 3, being a motivational speaker is sacred to me. I love being a motivational speaker. I'm obsessed with being a motivational speaker. And those are some of the reasons why I put out free motivational videos every day, because I take it seriously. Doors are opening. Doors are getting ready to open for you. Listen, you can do anything. You can be it. You can accomplish it. Don't you let nobody tell you what you can't do. Don't you even let yourself tell yourself what you can and cannot do. Tell yourself, I can do it. Tell yourself, I will do it. Tell yourself, I must do it. Listen, what is your why? Is your maybe your mom is your why. Maybe your spouse is your why. Maybe your children are your why. Maybe your brother or your sister is your why. I don't know what your why is, but you need to get a why. You need to identify your why so you can accomplish your dreams, so you can go to the next level. Listen, doors are opening. Here are 7 principles that is going to revolutionize your life. Principle number 1. You need to know that you are awesome and amazing. You need to know you're awesome and amazing. No matter what you're going through. I don't care how bad your past is. Maybe you are ashamed of your past. Maybe you can't get past your past. Maybe you can't get over your past. Maybe you're going through a divorce. Maybe you've been through a divorce. Maybe your company is struggling. Maybe you're struggling with depression. Maybe you're suicidal. Maybe you're sick. Maybe you have a mental illness. Maybe you're in a toxic relationship. Maybe you're in a negative environment. Maybe you grew up in a dysfunctional family. Maybe you had a bad childhood. Maybe you never knew your father, grew up in a single mother home. Maybe your parents got a divorce. Or maybe you grew up in a very bad situation. Listen, I don't care what you've been through. I don't care where you come from. What you've been through. How many times you got rejected? How many times they keep telling you no? How many times you keep failing? What you went through in your past, it is not going to stop you. I don't care what you've been through. I don't care what you're going through right now. Nothing is going to stop you from becoming great and successful. Nothing is going to stop you from accomplishing your dreams. Why? Because doors are opening for you. Doors are getting ready to open for you that no man can shut. Principle number 2. Dream big, think big, and believe in yourself that you can make it happen. Dream big, think big, and believe in yourself that you can make it happen. You are a champion. I want you to be a champion in every area of your life. Principle number 3. The great Les Brown said, you must tell yourself, no matter how hard it is or how hard it gets, I'm going to make it. No matter how hard it is, no matter how difficult it is, no matter how many times you fail, no matter how bad your past is, no matter what you're going through right now, you are going to make it. You're going to make it. I know you're going to make it. I'm not going to let you quit. You are special. You are beautiful. You are intelligent. You matter. You are gifted. You are special. You matter. You are amazing. You are phenomenal. Principle number 4. If you believe in yourself, you will discover that anything is possible. Listen, I'm going to say that again. Right? Please write that down. If you believe in yourself, you will discover that anything is possible. All you have to do is believe in yourself. See yourself becoming a better athlete. See yourself starting that business. See yourself taking that corporation, taking that company to the next level. See yourself being the CEO of that company. See yourself starting that business. See yourself being a billionaire. See yourself being a multimillionaire. See yourself getting that doctoral degree. See yourself getting that PhD. See yourself getting that MBA, that master's. See yourself going back to school and getting your GED. See yourself becoming a doctor, a lawyer, principal, nurse, teacher. See yourself being a tennis player, soccer player. See yourself selling real estate. See yourself being an architecture. See yourself being an actor, singer, rapper, movie producer. I don't know what you want to do. I'm just giving you ideas. But let me say this. See yourself becoming exactly what you want to be. See yourself accomplishing and doing what you said you are going to do. Listen, 2 things. You must stop procrastinating. And number 2, you must believe in yourself. You must stop procrastinating, and then you must stop being negative and start being positive. Principle number 5, and I'm closing. No matter how difficult your life is, watch this, the key is to stay positive. Ooh, that's a big one. No matter how difficult your life is, the key is to stay positive. That's the key to success. Is to stay positive. No matter what state you're in, no matter what you're going through, no matter what you're facing, the key is to stay positive. Principle number 6. Get out of negative environments and get in positive environments. Get out of negative environments and get in positive environments. You want to hang around people that are greater than you. You want to hang around people and talk to people that are positive. You want to talk to people and hang around people who are going to believe in you. They're going to encourage you. They're going to tell you you can do it. They're going to tell you you can make it. And listen, let me tell you this. I love you enough to tell you, you can do it. You can be it. You can become it. And you can accomplish it. Principle number 7. Stop complaining about your life and focus on giving yourself a better life. Instead of complaining, instead of being negative, I want you to focus on giving yourself a better life. If you don't like the life you're living, then start making better decisions that's going to give you a better life. Principle number 8, last principle. Michael Jordan said, never say never, because never say never, because limits, like fears, are often just illusions. It's an illusion. Never say never, because limits, like fears, are often just illusions. Listen, believe in yourself. Get rid of fear. Fear will paralyze you. Maybe you're scared to start that business. Don't be afraid. Go ahead and start that business. Maybe you're afraid to go to college. Go ahead and go to college. Maybe you're afraid to do this or do that. Go ahead and do this. Go ahead and do that. Don't be afraid, because fear will paralyze you. Fear is false evidence appearing real. Don't be afraid. Get started. Don't be afraid of failure. Maybe you're saying, well, what if I tried and start my business and I fail and everybody will see me as a failure? Well, what if I try and do this and I do that and I fail? Then people will say, see, I told you so. I told you so. Listen, don't worry about what people think about you. Don't worry about the opinions of other people. Get started and try anyway. I don't care how many times you fail. I don't care how many times they tell you no. Get started. Why? Because doors are opening. This is your time. This is your season. This is your moment. If you want to succeed as bad as you want to live, then you'll be successful. doors are opening for you. You're getting ready to accomplish your dreams. On your march, get set,